जगाच्या खंयच्याय खाची कोणशार आसूं आपल्या घराचेर नजर दवरूं येता ती अशी. टॉमाचे घरात CCTV बसयल्यात. ताची सगळी फामील कुवेत आसता आनी तो गोंयांत. मात तो कामाक म्हूण भायर आशिल्लो. टॉमाचे बायलेक घरात कोण तरी भोंवता म्हूण मोबायलाक डिजिटली कनेक्ट केल्ले घरातले CCTVचेर कुवेतात कळ्ळें आनी पुलीस चोरां मेरेन पावले.
मठां गेल्ले आनी थिंग म्हाका फोन येयलो, रिटा गेलो कुवेटसून आमगे घरान दोग जाण चोर घुसले न्हू. सो हांवें काण तेगे फोन मारलो, उमके तुगे बायलेन सांगिलां सद्या हांव प्रेझंट मारगांव आहा म्हूण शॉपिंग कोत म्हूण. सो हांव शॉपिंग कोन्ना आसतना डायरेक्ट येयलें ते दोन म्हाका थिंगा ग्रुपांनी हे मेळ्ळले म्हणजे ते घांटी लोक आनी हांवें मागीर म्हगे नेबराक फोन मारलो आनी तेंकां धाडलें. दोग जाण आसलोले ते म्हणो लागलो हेल्प आम कोणा चोयल म्हूण कोण आहा दिसपट म्हूण रिटान म्हाका सांगलोले एकलो वायट घान आहा एकलो स्ट्रिप्सां शर्ट घान आहा म्हूण. सो एकल्या दोल तेमी आनी आतां पुलिसान वयला आनी एकलो आजुनी मेळना.
Yesterday at about 8:30 p.m. we received a call from one Tom Gracias, resident of Colmorod-Navelim, that his wife have informed him that she had seen on CCTV footage that one person is inside the house of him and he is moving in the house. The complainant, Mr. Tom Gracias, was at Kankona at the time and his family is staying at Kuwait. So she saw the accused moving in her house in the Kuwait on the mobile on CCTV footage connection and informed her husband. Accordingly, the Mr. Tom Gracias called at the police station and informed about the said fact to the Margao police. So within a span of time of 10 minutes, our staff reached at the spot and cordoned off the house. It was a bungalow of the complainant, and afterwards entered the house and managed to nab the accused, Mr. Devraj Singh, native of Rajasthan, who was in a position to commit the theft of the household items and ornaments.
प्रुडंटा खातीर भीमा पाटील.